Okay, ngayon ang araw kasi kuya ay magsosolo na. Siya po, ihatid natin siya sa kanyang accommodation, unit accommodation. Ayan. Meron siyang mga magamit dyan. Kailangan niya. Ayan. Lahat dyan. Meron din dito sa labas. Ang gagaling niya. Meron siyang bigas. Rice cooker. Show the kettle, tissue, garbage bin, hanger, pantulong mo, etc. etc. Ayan. So, ngayon ilulog na natin siya. Are you ready?
Sana.
Excited, kuya?
Yeah.
Say hi. Yeah. Good luck to your uni life.
Thank you.
Okay. It's just sorting something.
Yeah. Trying to sign out.
You're gonna miss this room.
Yeah, I am.
You'll be alright. Okay. Proud of you.
Thank you. Nice stuff.
Yeah.
Love you.
Roll up. Loading up. Kuya. Magsige, bye-bye na kuya. Dito.
Miss you guys. I will miss you. I'll miss you now. Miss you guys. Bye. Goodbye.
Huwag ano ha? Straight home after, yeah?
Sige ra.
Goodbye. Love you.
Break a
Bye,
leg.
guys.
Break a leg.
Bye. See you soon.
Alis na si kuya. Kuha ka pa ng yung pa yung dalawa please. Para sa akin. Okay. Alright. Ready na. Yes. Excited?
Yeah. Also scared. Nervous.
You'll be alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, final closing of the gate. There you go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Welcome to your uni accommodation, Kuya. Ito yung mas stop mo. You excited?
Wait, don't post this online just in case people like
Yeah.
go to it.
Here we go.
No, I'll show you.
This is Kuya's accommodation.
Daming gamit ni Kuya.
We got this computer table, study table,
Kitchen.
internet, with the heating. Yeah. Bed, good for one.
Do you want to be
I'll just go to the one next to it because I think that's
Doon ka na lang
wardrobe.
sa... Ay, meron na. Nakalagay.
because there was
Maybe,
one, the
yeah.
furthest one. I'm assuming that was E.
O sige na.
Toilet, shower. Kuya, new ones.
Ilalagay na natin kay Kuya. Nalilinisin muna natin.
That's it.
Go to IKEA.
Ito yung mga rooms, the other rooms. Si Kuya ay nagstay sa D. D. Second floor D. Let's going out. Stairs. Oh, some more. Stairs by the lift. By there. This is the day room and the kitchen. Day room without the telly. Fridge and freezer. Ooh.
They're all the same. They're all the same.
Ba't hindi ito? Para naka-cover.
What do you mean?
Ito.
It's all the same anyways.
Yeah. Kasi malapit.
That's E. I'm pretty sure that guy is E.
That's what, kasi
And then I'm D.
pag magtatambay sila dyan for the microwave, so your stuff will be like, you know.
It's fine. We're gonna
Sige
have...
na, put your...
Dito na lang. Dito po tayo sa IKEA.
No, like this one. No, I'll go back. Oh, well.
Welcome to Kuya's room. Uni accommodation. It's really nice. So let's go back again to the toilet. Toilet is nice.
Yes, come together. Excuse me.
Yung rug from IKEA. Kuya's wardrobe.
Ano yung tinatanong ni Aaron? Yung tinatanong ni Aaron?
Oh, about the like.
Say hi to Aaron. Erwin. Hello, Aaron.
Hello. The like
Yeah.
hair clay.
Thank you. Stable. Marami lang mas ano pa eh. Tingnan tayo diya pa. Most of your rights.
See to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you carry on yung packing
Yeah.
of things?
I'll carry on unpacking.
Kuya, I'll take this one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, hatid na tayo ni Kuya. Pababa. Yun ang kanyang accommodation. So, it's now 9 p.m. So it's like 4 hours drive. Pauwi ng Cardiff. Yep. Okay. Ito na. Ito sa car. Ito tayo ni Kuya. Is your tag working now? Oh, wow. Ito.
Kuya, do you want more ano of this? Papatay mo yung excuse.
Oh yeah, yeah. Just in case.
Tignan ko ako. Ako kasi ako.
Okay, I was just asking.
Babay na.
Aste, baka may mga inventory.
Babay. Babay ko na.
Love you, Dad. Love you.
Yeah, miss you.
Gonna miss you too.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
Let us know pagka if you need anything, kuya.
Yeah.
Ay,
Bye.
kuya, nagtanong ko sa'yo ng 20 pounds yung ano mo, ha? Yeah, for this week.
Yeah.
50 enough? Yeah. Pag kulang,
I'll pay you back in
Okay.
once I get my finance. Just remember how much I owe you. Okay. Bye. See you guys.
At ayan na nga po mga ka-skipper. 1:40 AM at home na tayo. Nakatulog tayo kanina mga 12:30. Tumabi muna tayo sa isang services. Natulog tayo ng 30 minutes para may lakas. But thank God, we're home. So good luck sa iyo, Kuya Dale. Butihan mo. At ang kambal naman na susunod sa uni. Pero magka-college muna sila. So yun lang. God bless. God bless. Bye-bye.